Welcome to JH. The TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E4 is a timepiece that prioritizes high-end aesthetics over cutting-edge technology. It functions primarily as a luxury accessory with integrated smart capabilities rather than a device intended to replace your smartphone. The display is impressive, offering a bright and crisp visual experience with fluid navigation. You will find it easy to read in direct sunlight without any noticeable stuttering or lag during use. Its responsive interface ensures a frustration-free experience for the average user. Regarding battery performance, do not expect it to last a full week or even 3 days under heavy usage. In practice, you will likely need to charge the device every night or every other evening. Fortunately, the charging process is quite rapid, minimizing any inconvenience. The health and fitness tracking features cover all the essentials, including step counts, heart rate monitoring, and GPS-enabled workouts. While it accurately logs runs and gym sessions, the data lacks the deep analytical insights found in dedicated sports watches like Garmin. The fitness application is straightforward, making it better suited for general activity tracking rather than intense athletic training. The software environment is streamlined but restricted, as there is no dedicated app store for third-party downloads. While some users might find the lack of customization limiting, others will appreciate the clean, clutter-free interface. Notification management for calls and texts is reliable and serves as the primary function for many. Interestingly, the watch pairs exceptionally well with iPhones for a non-Apple product, maintaining a stable connection without technical glitches. However, keep in mind that you will miss out on specific ecosystem features like Apple Pay. The construction quality is where this device truly stands out, featuring a metal casing, sapphire glass, and a ceramic bezel on specific versions. It feels like a premium, permanent timepiece rather than a disposable piece of tech. General performance remains smooth in the background, with quick-loading watch faces and functional music controls. You won't encounter issues like freezing or unexpected restarts. Ultimately, the price remains a significant factor, as you are paying luxury rates for mid-range smart features. If viewed strictly as a tech gadget, it may seem expensive, but as a TAG Heuer watch with added connectivity, it finds its niche.